So I gotta wait for this thing to calibrate. So you all know the craziest thing about 0.4.4. Your Eon, and I can't show you my Eon right now because it's specially modified, but your Eon will be flipped upside down. So if you unscrew the screws from the top and unscrew the screws from the bottom, you can switch the position of the two places. You can switch the position of the two places, and then you can, speaking of bums, we got one right here. All right, we're gonna cruise past him. Yep, bye bum. Yeah, so I gotta calibrate, so that means I gotta drive above 45 miles an hour. It's a little bit like speed here. Unfortunately, the new version will not, 0.4.4 will not be shipping with the new calibration. And you can blame the calibration team for that. No, we don't blame anybody. There's no blame. Everybody loves everybody because it's a beautiful world. But what's important is 0.4.4 will have some of the best stuff. One of my favorite features of 0.4.4 is I'm being recorded right now by the front camera. It's optional. You can turn it on or off. Your Eon's also upside down, which allows the front camera to see the driver much better and kind of just makes the experience better. So I can't engage yet because calibration's not finished. So we're going to go on the highway and hope it calibrates. But yeah, we can take questions. Any questions for this Scopy Tuesday? Show you guys. Well, I can't show you the Eon. I can't show you the Eon because it's a secret Eon. Secret Eon. I'm doing a little bit more than testing ETA on release. Friday. Looking at Friday. When will I shave? Friday. A lot of stuff's happening Friday. Big event. Why recording the driver? So this is our push towards eventual driver monitoring for safety. As our system gets better and better and better, we're going to need to start making sure. Yeah, Shift Plus will be updated too. You know, this time, I always say it, but this time I'm serious. Shift Plus will be updated. What's the 5-year vision for comma? Do I look like the kind of guy who has vision? I don't even shave. It's going down Friday. Just like Rebecca Black said. New model? Nope, there won't be no. That's new calibration before new model, guys. New calibration almost is ready to ship. That will ship probably in 0.45. But a bunch of more UI improvements. We're trying to make this like a nice. So Gold Star stuff is already live. Gold Star stuff's already live. We just haven't built the dashboard for you guys to see it yet. We have a pipeline stage internally which runs and checks if your route's Gold Star or not. Unfortunately, we don't have a way to tell you yet. But I am driving here with a gray Panda. I can show you my gray Panda. I can't show you the Eon. It's secret. But gray Panda, I can definitely show you. Look at that gray Panda. What a nice gray Panda. All right. Recording for safety feature. Yeah, recording is a safety feature. No, so we don't actually have any of the detection yet. What we're going to do is we're going to collect data. I mean, it's easy to write a detector to see if the driver has their eyes on the road, but we want to figure out what policy we want to put on that detector. And that's kind of what we're going to crowdsource. Does calibration work in this thing? How does the camera being offset slightly affect driving quality? Oh, the flip? Oh, we've corrected for it. 0.4.4 will include front camera uploads, absolutely. We don't really have a way to view them yet, but they're getting uploaded. Yeah, the Eon camera we've already corrected for the 6-inch thing, so don't worry about that. It's a little rainy here in San Francisco today. You said you collected. Yo, I'm nothing like Zuckerberg, man. Here's the difference. I'll tell you the real difference between us and Facebook, right? Facebook is trying to maximize engagement for you. We're trying to maximize engagement for the machine. Our dream product is a product you put in the car and never think about. We're not going to pressure you to drive more. We're not going to send you an email, hey, your friends have said you haven't driven in 7 days. Consider driving. Consider how Ashley would feel, right? I feel Facebook is emotionally manipulative and evil. And Zuck's testifying in Congress right now. I don't know how that's going. But yeah, no, I would never do things like that, right? We're a product, like you buy it for utility, right? We're a lot more like an Amazon or a Microsoft or an Apple. Not really like a Facebook or a Google. What am I doing with your data? Just making the models better, man. I don't know. I'm too lazy to sell your data. I'm too lazy. What, I have to do business development with people? It just sounds like a lot of effort. I have to transfer the data. I have to make a portal. It's too much effort. We use it to make the experience better for you guys. No, I deleted my Facebook a long time ago. I deleted my Facebook in 2013, about a year after I worked there. I know. Shifter Plus, coming soon. We hired 2 more people for that team. So that's pretty exciting. New Shifter Plus, yeah, new Shifter Plus. It'll happen. Anything else? What are we talking about today? I don't know, guys. I'm just bored. I want to talk to the Scopies. Review of Facebook employment. It's not a bad place to work. No, so accepting face reporting is completely optional. It has nothing to do with safety. What won't be optional is when we ship the driver monitoring. So you don't have to record your face. The data will never be recorded, but we will run a neural net on it to determine whether you're paying attention. No, I'm in a Civic right now, so I don't need the pedal. If you like 432, you're gonna love 4.4. What else is new on 4.4? Just a whole lot of stability fixes, guys. It should just be, that's what the big number means. What do I think of Decentraland? I don't know what that is. What is Decentraland? Some more autofocus improvements too. 044 is coming Friday. What do I think of Pied Piper? I think middle out compression is going to change everything, man. Risk architecture is going to change everything. Driver monitor will disengage quickly upon driver distraction, but as an advantage to that, you don't have to deal with the 6-minute timer anymore. As long as you're paying attention, it won't time out once we ship the driver distracted alerts. And we'll be using, so it won't be out in 044, but when we ship new calibration will live on the DSP, you guys. Who got the DSP working? Shh, don't tell anyone. Does the new model use mapping? No. Guys, everything takes a long-ass time, Has it been a long-ass time since we did mapping periscopes? Not really. Oh, man, look at all this traffic on the way back. Oh, it is calibrating 1%. Wow, calibration sucks. I'm going to have to drive all the way to Mountain View for this thing to calibrate. Oh, it is exciting, though. Oh, 2%. I haven't calibrated an openpilot in so long. This is a new device. Oh, free the DSP. Well, I mean, maybe it's time. Maybe we free the DSP. Maybe we should free the DSP. How does the model predict the road? Oh, how does it do that? Oh, it uses the maps. None of that stuff's shipping now. It works, but it's not going to ship. Yeah, eventually. Everything takes forever. It just takes forever to build anything, guys. Oh, man, this is terrible. You're telling me I have to drive while it calibrates? This is brutal. Calibration shouldn't take so long. It takes so long. I'm not going to say anything bad. It was written a long time ago. Before we understood everything about computer vision. Before we all got PhDs in computer vision, We have much better calibration now, but it's only internal. But it will ship soon. We got to ship it. You got to put it on the device, and we're going to be using the DSP for that. Well, we're going to ship something called OrbD. And OrbD is going to compute great orb features right there on your DSP. I'm only at 11%. This is terrible. It looks calibrated, too. Sorry, guys. User experience, got to get better. Yeah, Ford Fusion, nobody's done shit. How'd y'all get the DSP? I used to be. When I was 22, I was probably the best hacker alive. I'm not anymore, but, you know, I can still hack a DSP, right? It's worse when there's traffic. Yeah, I know. Come on, openpilot. Oh, 13%. What's the calibration for? It figures out where your camera's mounted with respect to your car. So in order to like drive the car, we have to know where to go. Guys, it's all like foggy here too. It's pretty cool. I'll flip you around so you can see. The DSP is just another CPU. So that's what my Eon's seeing right now. Guys, I can't show you the Eon because it's a secret special Eon. But, oh, it's mad foggy out here. 16%. Oh, my God. This is really going to take forever. No, you won't need to recalibrate. No, this is just because I'm on a new device. Only if you buy new devices will you need to recalibrate. You're currently training in depth now. How are you training it? Where's your training data come from? 25 miles. Oh, man, this is brutal. I just wanted to casually go out and test openpilot. Have you been scoping while you're training depth nets? What 1 plus 5? No 1 plus 5. You can't have the secret Eon. Shh. I can't show you. It's a secret. It's a secret Eon. It has a secret code name too. It has a code name that's pretty cool. You get the Z distance from the camera? What do you mean? How do you get the Z distance from the camera? You can't do that. 24%. Oh man, calibration takes days. It just shouldn't have to take this long. Oh, what a terrible experience. Oh, you have the DeathNet from Unity. Oh, so you're not using it. Oh, the camera. I understand. Okay, so it's not a real camera. Because the Civic's probably the best car for openpilot. Shell Honda, buy Toyota. New face filters on comma.ai. Who's face filters? I don't know what that means. I'm watching the road, guys. Like, the phone is mounted almost like in my line of sight. I'm using a hands-free phone. Look, I got both hands, but I can't really keep them off the wheel because autopilot's only 33%. This is terrible. This is a terrible experience, you guys. I am going to email support at comma.ai, and I'm going to tell them that calibration's taking way too long, and I'm very frustrated. Very frustrated, guys. No, I hate calibration. It takes too much time. I agree. I don't know. I've never really experienced your pain, guys, but like now I have. Oh, and I'm going to have to sit in this traffic on the way home. No. I'm asking for a refund. Support at comma.ai, Vivian. My Eon takes too long to calibrate. I want a refund. It's the largest prize ever. 150K. 150K for my Chrome full stack. And I'm going to have to sit in traffic. All right, 38%, boys. 38%. It might not, like, I might press the button and it might not even engage, to be honest. This is a very untested, experimental secret Eon. Poor Vivian, no. We're hiring new support representatives. We're hiring Zoe and Zelda. Oh, talk about new funding. Shh. Who talks about new funding? I got hit by reporters all day yesterday, and I didn't pick up because I'm like, no comment. Shh. Guys, comma's kind of in stealth mode. You guys are kind of in on the secret. Any hints on new Eon? It's not cool, guys. It's not cool. It's really not cool. It's a shitty Eon. You don't want one of these. You really don't. It's worse than the Eons you have. Well, right now, anyway. It might get better, but, you know. It's a long time away. No, it's not custom hardware. Alright, so we'll drive down to San Jose while it calibrates, and we'll drive back with new calibration. pretty dim too. I don't know about that. Yeah, 3A is hard. But we should use the TX2 for a new... Who said anything about a new hardware platform? New funding, new hardware platform. Who said Nokia phone? It's actually almost like that. It's not Nokia. It's funny. It's funny though. Yeah, it works with traffic lights. Yes, it works with traffic lights. 51%. Oh my god. This takes years. Alright, we're gonna make calibration good when I get home. Yeah, I know. 1+2s are running out. It's not OP test. Shh. You guys are too smart. Can you have an option to uninstall? No options. Email support at comma.ai. No, you want to uninstall it? Go in, SSH in, PM uninstall. You can uninstall. The hesitation about what? Define good. What's good? Nothing's good. It's all shit. Yeah, everything's great, bros. I love the world, and I love life. The world is a beautiful place. That is true. Add it to 4.4. What? No options, no buttons. No. You give a user a button, they'll press it when you don't want them to, and they won't press it when you want them to. That's the button saying. That should be a good Slack bot response. Whenever someone's saying like, look, can we have a button to do X? Don't give users buttons. Oh, the stoplight? Oh, the stoplight's really good. The stoplight is insanely good. Because we've coded the locations in using the map. So we have some maps now. We have the first bunch of maps of San Francisco. Logan Paul beats, yo. I don't know. I don't think I can connect to my phone. And of course, this car thing's unusable. But I would totally play the number song or Help Me Help You right now. You know, I know the Logan Paul songs. Yeah, I'm a low gang member, a low gangster. That's right. No, I'm over Logan Paul. Logan Paul sucks. Logan Paul's a sellout. That's right. But the Maverick merch, which I am wearing right now, is the softest merch in the game. So there's that. Do we use semantically labeled maps? Auto-generated. We use the same pipeline we use to generate our training data for the maps. And you guys probably don't even think we have training data because there's never any new models. Just Kali? What's Kali? Alright guys, I think it's about time we turn around. My calibration's at 74%. That's pretty good. This is so exciting though. If I was a new person getting this thing, I would expect wonderful things. What's new in 4? I'm sorry I can't show you guys this thing because it's a secret Eon, but it's good. It's just a lot of polish. A lot of polish. 044 is going to be pushed to release. So remember how like the weren't release pushed to release? 044 is going to release. Autofocus has been largely fixed. So HDR is live. 044 is going live on Friday. And we'll do a new Sheffer Plus too. A secret Eon. Don't worry about the secret Eon. The secret Eon is just, you don't want the secret Eon. It's a downgrade from your current Eon. But that's just why I can't show it to you. I don't know. I just didn't want to be alone on this drive while I went out for calibration, so I thought I'd bring the Scopies with me. Yeah, 043 is release quality. Good. I'm glad you like 043. Or it's 043 too. Okay. To test the high accuracy GPS, they actually have the same GPS that's in the Gray Panda. Pretty much. They have the same, like, chipset series. Did you record maps? Yes. If you had a Gray Panda and Neon, yes, you absolutely recorded maps. No, nothing ever gets cheaper at Comma. Things only get more expensive. Do you guys know that Pandas used to be $88? Now they're $99. Should have bought a Panda when they were $88. Save that money. Alright, getting off Black Mountain Road here. Alright, calibration's at 90%. This is very exciting. I've never been so excited to get a new product. It's a U-Blox M8. Oh, that's the highway patrol. You gotta watch out. No, you don't, because I'm not doing anything illegal. I'm an upstanding citizen. Bring back the $88 pandas. Nevuary. Though, you guys know the pandas are going on Amazon, so that is happening. A little bit of tire squeal off the line there. Base Station D is on hold because it's not going to make anything better. How are you going to market Panda on Amazon? Because it's way better, bros. Have you used Cabana? And then you bought an OBD and you've used Pi Elm 11. But we don't believe in marketing. If you don't want it, don't buy it. But, you know, I think it's the best. If I could have bought cheap OBD dongles, I totally would have. Instead of pandas. If I could have not made Panda and just bought cheap OBD dongles. We're doing it right on the merch. I mean, we're already doing fulfillment. It's a good price on those t-shirts, right? $20? How can you download video from your Schiffer drives? I think you can, kind of. I'll run screen capture software. No, we're going to work on that. Every file you upload to us, you'll be able to download. Oh, it's calibrated! It controls mismatch. What? Oh, we're in. Controls mismatch. Oh. Okay, that's not great. All of that is not even going to work. No. No. All that work and it doesn't work. Restart Eon, restart car. Guys, I don't even have an Eon. Is it the Eon I gotta restart? Restart car. Controls mismatch. It says take control immediately, controls mismatch. Half an hour calibrating. Guys, I'm on a secret debug Eon and it sucks. It's not even an Eon, okay? That's how much it sucks. Yep. Wow, okay. You know, it's good for people to experience their own products. Yeah, I'm emailing support when I get home. I'm very upset. Oh man, I should show you guys the Eon. I wish I could show you the Eon. Are you using the old Neo? No, it's not a Neo. Why are you using it? Because we're testing it. I really don't know why it doesn't work. No. You start coming to drive. Yo, don't do that shit. I did that once in the Acura. The Acura does not restart. All right, we will try rebooting the car. We'll pull over. We'll try rebooting the car. Well, I missed that exit. Skyline Boulevard, next exit. Ooh, Skyline College. Let's go to Skyline College, guys. Civic will restart when in neutral. Nah, we're not trying it. Ooh, we'll take Skyline Drive up though. That's kind of nice. It engages for a minute. No, I really don't even think this is caused by other issues. Man! Zuck! See, on the Toyota, you can disable the cruise, and then you can restart the device. Oh, the Drive Constellation? I don't know. Zuckerberg, what's he doing? How's that going? I can't watch that. I'm driving. I don't even have openpilot. Oh, that's not a lane. Pacifica Skyline Boulevard. All right. Let's go. It's live right now. Oh, he's sweating bullets! No, I wish him the best of luck. I mean, guys, you know, if you don't like Facebook, at least like Facebook does some good for the world. He's testifying in front of Congress. Congress. You listen to it on CNN. I heard they're really fake news. I don't know. I don't watch CNN, but I've heard rumors that they're extremely fake news. I don't know if that's true or not. I keep an open mind. I'm a skeptic. Is the earth flat? I don't know. I'm a skeptic. Oh, Honda Bosch. Is that shit working? Because if that's working, guys, okay. I will tell you, since this Periscope has been a terrible Periscope, I will drop some new knowledge of a secret comma product. Oh, we got cyclists. Watch out for the cyclists. All right, I will drop some knowledge. Congress doesn't the rest of them, but you know shit, man. This is not a reflection on Americans as a whole. Do not take Congress to reflect the good people of the United States of America. No, controls mismatch. No. All right, now I need to find a place to pull over on this road. I actually drove Super Cruise on this road, and it didn't work. No, it's not the comma radar. Stock ACC. Okay, so you got lateral only on the Bosch. Is it possible to do the longitudinal if we had vision only? Oh my God, it's like raining. No, it controls it for like half a second. I don't understand what's going on. Maybe I'll unplug and replug the Panda. No, that won't work. All right, guys. No, the secret new product. Nah, you know what? No secret product announcement. We'll do a real announcement. Where are you, co-pilots? What's a co-pilot? Oh, and why is no one else in the car? All right, we're at a red light. All right, let's reboot. All right, we'll pull over to the side here. I don't have co-pilots, just me in the car. Only I'm testing the new prototype Eon. Open co-pilot. Right. Reboot! It's rebooting. It makes a different noise when it reboots because it's a prototype secret Eon. Rebooting. Turn my hazard lights on. Rebooting. It's booting. It's probably because I have a gray Panda too. Sitting by the side of a road where people go fast is scary. Will the front camera have HDR? No, it doesn't have HDR. I gotta make it work a little better at night. Wrap. No. Come on. Work. Alright, it's booted. It's starting up all the UI crap. Let's go. I wish I could show you guys the secret Eon. The secret Eon is monitoring. No, all the Eons. You guys, this is flipping Eons. I'll show you some flipping Eons. Tom Cruise. How's the mapping going? Pretty well. Mapping's pretty good, you know. Well, that didn't work at all. Okay. The USB is kind of janky on this prototype, I think. I think that's the problem. All right, it's connected to the Panda. Let's go. Just keep hands on wheel. Be ready to take over at any time. Love it. All right, come on, engage. Oh, it works! It works! Oh, I got openpilot, yeah! Woo! Oh, this one doesn't know that we have, I don't have upgraded torque on this. Woo, openpilot! What's openpilot? All right, guys, I'll show you what openpilot. No, I can't show you because it's on the secret prototype Eon. Woo, it works! Secret prototype works! Woo! Love it. Whoever said reboot car, that guy. Oh, hitting the brakes. Oh, what a good prototype. All right, it's a prototype, so I gotta keep my hands by the wheel. We got a car in front of me. Foot by the brake, hands by the wheel. All right, prototype. It's ping-ponging and getting fixed. Who developed the prototype? This guy. No, that's not true. Eddie worked on it a bit. One of our other engineers worked on it a bit. I just came into the car. I put it in the car. What's different about Secret Eon? It sucks. It's like a normal Eon, but crappier. I'm not getting increased torque because it doesn't know that I'm in a modified Civic. Woo! Cruising through a red light right now. Oh, don't go there. All right. What sucks about the all right, guys, you know what? Who would I be? We won't tell you anything about it, but we will show you openpilot. There is openpilot, and it's driving. Yeah. This is the first time driven on a new secret prototype Eon. They're like Eons, but crappier. Because they're secret prototypes. But it is, notice how it is upside down. Notice how the fat part's over here and the skinny part's over here. We are driving through the fog. Of course, it's a Civic, so I have full stop and go. This is openpilot. Got a cutout here, and we're good. Do you like that? Look at that triangle. It looks secret. No, the triangle's gonna ship. No hands, I got a hand right here. I mean, I'm not, I don't need to. It's doing itself, but just in case it messes up, No. Plenty more OPT3s. Plenty more OPT3s. This is just a prototype. But actually, unless you want to end up with one of these, buy your Eon today. It's not a 5T. It is definitely not a 5T. That is rain affected. It doesn't care. What's OPG3? I don't know what that means. But yeah, no, this is the latest version of openpilot. This is pretty good. I'm very happy with this experience. Look at that. The new UI looks sick. Yeah, fast trick self and stop. I think that's fixed. Mapping gold star when engaged or not engaged. We don't care. Maps still look the same no matter who's driving. UI looks fancy, right? That's 0.4.4. You guys really stuck around, so even though it's the secret prototype. It's really low visibility today. Good thing I got a radar. Radar cuts right through that fog. Nice. Had to help it a little on the sharp turn. We hit the torque limit of the Civic. No. It's not a Samsung. What sensors do you use? Are only phone? We use all the sensors in the car. As well as the phone. And we also use a gray panda. Check out a gray panda right there. Check out my antenna. Oh, wow, that is a janky antenna mount. I'm going to go get a new one. We added some green color. What is this sorcery? Is a cell phone driving a car, guys? Yeah, it's no big deal. It's a cell phone driving a car. It's wrong here. Can't really see because of the fog. It's better. See, now it gets tight. This one's a little jankier. So yeah, this is not an Eon. If you buy an Eon, you'll have actually a much better experience than this. This is a janky piece of crap. But I shouldn't insult it too much because future Eons may look like this. I'll put you guys back in the map. What is this? Explain answers. It is openpilot by comma.ai, the only best free open source car driver. No, it's an Eon. It's an Eon, guys. It's an Eon. It's a crappy Eon. It's a prototype Eon. You buy an Eon today, you get the latest and greatest in Eon technology. You buy this Eon, you're like, this is crappy. You can't buy this Eon. It's crappy. It's open source. Yeah, check it out. GitHub, github.com/comma.ai/openpilot. I think that might go to the highway. I don't know if I want to go to the highway. How much can we cost? Where can we buy at Best Buy? Nope. You know where you can buy. You go to shop.comma.ai. Now, it doesn't come with any software that drives your car, and Eons are sold as dash cams. They really are just designed to be dash cams. If you are crazy and adventurous and want to go to GitHub and download open source driving software, it might just run on that dash cam. But that is, of course, your choice as a free individual in a free country. Shop.comma.ai, go to that store, and then you too can have a cell phone drive your car. Is it a Xiaomi? No, it's not a Xiaomi. Nope. No, we're pushing. No. Don't worry. There's plenty of new updates to come. 044 has this new beautiful UI. Who, what turns the wheel? We actually use magic. I mean, it's just magic. I don't know what else to say. We don't want to go there. We want to go here. See, I can like help it out a little bit, and then I can let it go, and it'll go back to turning the wheel. You can see it's like turning the wheel to go around this turn here. Yeah, I don't know. If your car has magic built into it, then openpilot interfaces with magic, and that's how it turns wheels. Telekinesis. Yes, openpilot 044 does require flipping your Eon. Models based on two. Oh, don't ask me about models. Models are models. Model shop.com.ai. Buy shit. Go to our store. Yeah. So let me just show. I'll show some more footage of this thing. This is 044. Thank you for sticking around while this calibrated and when I painfully had to reboot my car, and we'll look into why that happened. But yeah, so that right there is a cell phone driving your car on openpilot 0.4.4, which is available for free and open source on our GitHub at github.com/comma.ai/openpilot. Notice how you see that triangle there? So it's detecting the car in front of me, and it's going to come to a nice smooth stop. We had an intern this summer write a phenomenal model predictive controller that's being used to hit the brakes, probably smoother than you can. It works on Hondas and Toyotas, and this is the year of the Ford, so it will be soon to work on Fords. It's glitching out a little because it's a crappy prototype, but the software is running on main Eons, and it works really well. That bug you saw earlier was probably not a software bug, it's probably a hardware bug in the prototype. That's why we ship good ones on shop.comma.ai. Any issue with center dividers? Oh, you mean like Tesla's issue? Guys, always pay attention, you know? I don't know. You can try it. Post a comparison video. You want this for your RAV4? RAV4 is a great car to install this, and check it out. Look at that. Look at how that path goes away. Man, this new UI looks good. We hired a designer almost a year ago now. He's absolutely crushing it. I'm a huge fan. How does it handle cyclists? It doesn't. You handle cyclists. What's the device on the left of the Eon? Oh, that's a Rove. It's a Rove. I don't know. Andy was trying it out. You can ask him what he thinks of it. This is openpilot this is a cell phone driving your car. Sorry, we're not going to say self-driving car anymore. We're going to say driver assistance system. So I'm a driver. I'm in the driver's seat. I'm legally in control of this vehicle at all times. I'm paying attention. But as long as I'm doing all those things, I get a little help from this device right here. This is a comma.ai Eon. Well, this is a crappy prototype comma.ai Eon. The non-prototype retail ones are available at shop.comma.ai. This is a crappy prototype gray Panda. The Panda itself is good. It has this like antenna mount, which is really bad. So it's blue when I'm disengaged, and then I just press this cruise control button right here. You can see set, so I'll just press it, and now I'm back engaged. And it is driving the car. Does it run on Windows Mobile? No. It runs on NeoS, the only operating system, I was going to say certified, but I shouldn't say that. It's not certified for anything. It's a crappy port of Android. If you have to flip and redo the mount, no, you don't have to recalibrate. Calibration's the same. We dealt with that. We dealt with porting your calibrations. They're fine. My car needs maintenance. I'm sure it does. Rove, new comma hardware inspiration. Nah, I wasn't impressed. Y'all tested it in snow? Yeah, it works in the snow. I wouldn't use it when there's snow on the road, just like any other cruise control system. But people think like this is like something that matters in self-driving cars. It's not. Face. It's the 1 + 3. Oh, the triangle is just the car in front of you. So it shows if it's detecting a lead car in front of you. That's what that red triangle surrounded by the yellow is. How much data does the service use? Oh, you want me to write? I'll write the data patch. I'll give you guys something. I'll write the data patch. So if you say only upload over Wi-Fi, it won't use much data anymore. Oh, that term is solid. Oh, these things are good. Prototype Eon. Prototype Eon works. We'll have to go home and we'll have to check the quality of the data. Kill the wobble. Guys, are you on Toyota with the wobble? I don't think the Civic wobbles. I mean, it's not as perfect as Super Cruise, but I feel like the Civic drives just as well as I do. Toyota might have a little wobble, particularly tall Toyotas like the RAV4. Oh, the Prius has tons of wobble. Well, that's just because the Prius's actuator's crappy. But I'm very happy with this. Minimum data speed bandwidth necessary. It's not really going to the internet, guys. You don't actually need to. Corolla, not so bad. Corolla's a little bit better, yeah. We have a global map. Not a big global. Yeah, we're building a global HD map. It's being built right now. By the end of the year. By the end of the year, the maps are going to be out. And we're going to, of course, give them away for free. Let me switch you guys back to looking. So we're cruising at a nice, gentle 42 miles an hour here. We'll be coming in for a stop behind this car. Notice how it detects the car and it sees that triangle right there. That's how you know you're good. So we're going to come to a nice, smooth stop behind this car. Good job, openpilot. The green is the currently, oh yeah, RAV4 doing full speed. Yeah, you could do that. What's Stormy Life? Yo, we accelerate. No, look, it's accelerating faster. Good job to whoever did that. Probably controls team in your car now. I'm very happy with this acceleration. It was quality. Cruising down the street in my 6.4. Alright, so now we're getting a little bit too suburban-y here. I'm going to put you guys back in the mount and flip you around. What's with the tape? Oh, I don't know. These are prototype cars. Does it know how to drive stick? No, it does not, but it is open source. So if you want to write that and like build an actuator, you actually probably can pretty easily. And build like a little servo thing. New rap track. Oh, I don't know, man. I don't know. I haven't had too much time for rapping lately. So this is the Fusion problem. Fusion with lead cars that are stopped. So I had to intervene there. If you press either the gas or the brake pedal, the system disengages. Cool. How do you make money if it's open sourced? We get money from VCs. No, I'm kidding. VCs. We have a shop where we sell hardware that's compatible with our ecosystem. Check out shop.comma.ai. Cruising by the police. I don't have a rear view mirror in this car. I just have neon, but I think that's legal. I got pulled over once with a neon, and the cop asked what it was, and I said, it's a dash cam. And the cop's like, oh, cool. He's like, you look like an upstanding citizen. I'm not going to write you a ticket. But it was really because I was driving a Prius. If you drive cheap cars, you're less likely to get tickets. I used to drive expensive cars. They'd always give me tickets. I'm like, come on, man, I drive a Prius. Come on. Shop.comma.ai is how we make money. We are a hardware startup. We sell hardware. Look like Badger. Who's Badger? I didn't get up to that point yet. No, I didn't get pulled over for anything related to that. I got pulled over for not having my lights on. This was the second day I got the Prius, and I forgot that the lights were not automatic. The officer pulled me over as I was drinking. I was like, no, officer. I'm like, it's this new car. It's the second day I had it. And then he's like, what is that? I'm like, it's dash cam. That's what we do. We make dash cams. We sell them on shop.com.ai. You should check it out. Put one in your cruiser. I didn't say that. I should shill to the police. We are hiring. We are absolutely hiring. Give me a job at comma.ai is the email for that. You can check out our hiring page, comma.ai/hiring. We're not pretentious enough to call anything careers. Careers. Spend 20 years. We're going to solve self-driving cars in 2.5. So get in early on that. Does this car have a huge comma on it? Nah, we're in stealth mode, bro. Like, if you watch these Periscopes, you know what we're up to. But, like, we did, like, funding. Don't tell anyone, right? Like, you guys are... You shill to the police, right? So I'm saying, police need eons, right? Put an eon in your cruiser. Think about how many hands you'll have for donut eating. 2 donuts. Double fisting, bro. With an eon. No. It sounds like it'd be too much bureaucratic paperwork to sell to the police. And I love donuts too. So, this is not just a cop thing. I love donuts too. Donuts are delicious. I would eat a donut right now if I had a donut. But I don't. So it's too bad. So this doesn't work on a commercial truck. Nah, bro. What is OpenPilot 0.4.4? That is the latest release of OpenPilot. And you can see OpenPilot right here, running on my crappy prototype Eon. Look at this guy, man. Yeah, I know, please show the computer all the time. I live by here. Follow perpetrator mode. Is it legal to have no hands on the wheel where I live? Yes. As long as you are paying attention and in control of the vehicle, there's no legal requirement that you have a hand on the wheel. But I do. I mean, you guys can't see it on the Periscope, but I keep a hand pretty close to the wheel down here while OpenPilot's driving. Wait till you get pulled over by a self-driving police. The one from the self-driving police. 1 foot on the dash. Neos, yeah. Oh, I didn't even think about Neos. You don't want a Neo anymore. Get a Neon. Just yeah. No, the new update won't work on Neos. Very sensitive. We're good. We're good for nighttime driving. It'll read stoplights and everything. Well, it's not shipped yet. How is self-racing cars? Pretty good. You can actually check. We posted a Cabana link. If you go on our Twitter, Neo depreciation last week. Neos are over. If you are still out there driving on a Neo, we have the Neo to Eon upgrade program. We did get second place. We lost by 1 second, but only because they had an Acura and we had a Prius. No, I'm not gonna say that. The guys were cool. The guys who won were cool. But yeah, no, if you still have a Neo out there, make sure to get on that Neo to Eon upgrade, $400. I don't know what you're saying, question mark. The problem is things go. Yes, pandas have APIs. Pandas are completely open source. We have an API in Python, and we just launched Panda.js, which is a JavaScript API for interacting with if your relative needs a dash cam, tell them to go to Walmart and buy one for $40, to be honest. I'm an honest person. How many locks? How many lines of code for what? For openpilot? Go run slot count on it. I don't know. Not that many. Yeah, if you're looking for like an easy to use dash cam, don't buy any on that. You need herb? Well, come to California where it's legal, bruh. I know, right? Like Colorado had that, really started that train. No, I don't know. If you had a medical card in California, that was always pretty nice as well. No, we don't drug test. Don't be coming to work fucked up. You'll get fired. Do your dash cam support Periscope broadcasting? They probably should. Wow. Just to think that companies drug test. That's crazy. That's crazy to think about. Smoke weed with comma.ai. Don't smoke weed and drive a car, guys. To be fair, it's probably better than drinking and driving a car, but still don't do it. You're waiting for my car accident. Thanks, brah. Does Eon play music through the car speakers? Absolutely. Eons have Bluetooth. You can just pair it. Oh, that's another thing 044 adds. You can now get to settings. You can now get to settings without having to go to the Eon Periscope support. Yeah. No. It's still No, it's probably really not. Don't drink and drive. Call it Uber or a Lyft if you don't like Uber. Wow, that guy was really close to me. And I'm driving, not even open pilot. All right. I think the test of the prototype was pretty successful. We'll take you guys inside for a little bit. We'll walk through the... Make sure to keep the headphone jack. Oh, you use the headphone jack? Be sure to buy an Eon now. Be sure to buy an Eon now. We're Apple. We're Apple bros. No, yeah, the headphone jack is, get an Eon now.